exciting because I've never done something like this before. So today we're going to be doing an Avant Garde makeup look. I'm super excited, like I said. I've never done something like this before. So yeah, if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. What I'm going to use for foundation today is this Revlon Colorstay 24-hour foundation. This is in the color Natural Beige. To apply the foundation, I'm going to use this e.l.f. Foundation blurring brush. And I'm going to take my wet beauty blender and what's left on my mirror and my bottle and just press that into the skin to make the skin look very, very natural. So I tried to block my eyebrows, but that didn't work, so I'm just going to use the color Noir from the Anastasia Glam Palette, Soft Glam Palette, and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows with that. And I'm using this angled eyeliner brush, or eyebrow brush from Old Fashioned. Then I'm going to go in with my spoolie brush just to brush up all the eyebrow hairs. Then I'm going to go in with my favorite eye primer. This is from Bare Minerals. This is the Gen Nude Eye Primer plus eyeshadow. And I'm just going to apply that with the applicator and then just kind of blend it with my finger. So I'm going to use a Soft Glam palette from Anastasia. And I didn't show one of the shadows, but I'm going to use first bronzer and then I'm going to use burnt orange in the crease. First I'm just going to apply bronzer to the eyelid. And then in the next clip, you'll see me putting on the burnt orange in the crease. Okay, so for paint today, I'm going to use this Craftopian cream paint, and I'm going to use this light blue shade here. I'm just going to try to create like that Cruella de Vil kind of eyebrow-y looking thing. So to create really crisp looking lines, I'm going to use some tape. So I kind of want to almost create like a mask on my face, but I kind of want to bring it to a point, kind of right in the middle. So I'm going to go into another Craftopian palette and I'm going to use this blue one and I'm just going to paint that where I put the tape, but I'm going to show the rest. I'm going to do the rest off camera. With the paint, I'm going to use this Ben Nye translucent powder and just use this BH Cosmetics fluffy brush and just set the paint. So this time I'm going to go back into the Soft Glam palette and I'm going to use the color Noir and I want to create kind of like an outline above the blue. So I'm going to just kind of do that right along the tape. Now I'm ready to take the tape off. To kind of blend the black just a little bit. I don't want to be too harsh on this. From the Craftopian paint palette, I'm going to take this white shade and I'm going to just kind of trace along the Noir. So I'm going to take that blue shade again and I'm just going to go right underneath my lower lash line and kind of almost create a drop shadow and then kind of bring the paint a little up, almost connecting to the other blue, but not really connecting. Now we're going to go back to the Soft Glam palette and we're going to use Glisening and Fairy, and we're just going to kind of, in the T-zone area, just to kind of give it more of a bronzy, kind of gold effect to the blue. Then we are going to do the same thing to the lower lash line. Then with my finger, I'm just going to lightly blend the two gold shades. Next, I'm going to take my bronzer. This is from Rimmel and Sunlight, and I'm just going to contour my cheekbones, or really bronze them, with this Old Fashioned fluffy brush. Off camera, I'm going to put on my Maybelline the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. So off camera, I'm going to put on my Moxie Lash Full Strip Lashes. For lips, I wanted to keep it very simple, so I'm going to use this Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Child Star. Then for finishing spray, I'm going to use my DIY finishing spray. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. See you guys in the next one.